it seems. But I guess I found my inspiration with just one smile to take my breath away. So hold me close, stay the same with me now. The closer I get touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Give a little smile, that special smile, that twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. You and Maraming salamat po. And this next song is a song I've written about 4 years back. Sana ito para sa mga taong iniwan, mga minamahal at iiwanan pa, sa mga broken hearted ngayong Sabado, ngayong buwan ng Hulyo. Sana maibigan niyo po ito. Marami na po nag-request ito. Simula na po nila ako sa Music Update Live at saka yung dito po ako sa Tambayan kay DJ Charlie yung Hunyo Adjes. This song is entitled Leave Me Alone, para sa mga bitter tulad ko.
Para sa'yo yan. Sige. O kaya...
This song also I would like to dedicate it to myself and I hope I like it.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
Sitting here outside my room, wondering what you have done to me. Can't you see? It's been quite some time I felt this way. Love someone that drives me insane. Oh, I pray I'll never see you again. Leave me alone. I don't want you anymore. Leave me alone. 'Cause it tears up my heart and soul. I'm begging you, so please leave me alone. You said to me, I love you still. You will always be there for me. Unconditionally. But who's this guy in your picture frame? And told me that he's our friend. But now you're engaged. Be a fool and so plain. Leave me alone. I don't want you anymore. Leave me alone. soul. And I'm begging you, so please leave me alone. I don't want you anymore. Leave me alone. I don't need you anymore. Leave me alone. I don't love you anymore. Leave me alone. Whoa, 'cause it tears up my heart and soul. No, no, no. And I'm begging you, so please leave me alone. No, no, no.
Tambayan, 101.9
Thank you very
Sa Japan. Leave Me Alone ang title.
Opo.
Grabe, parang may parang lumayas ka!
Sa mga mangungutang.
Yan. Actually, yung gagi.
Jesus Christ.
Inano po yan, talagang kinumpose siya parang sa mga mangungutang. Walang tao dito!
Tama, DJ.
Yun naman, siyempre, yan po si Stanley, si Joel at si Les Miserables. Aba, sandali lamang po, papakilala lang kami. Oras natin 6:05, bye-bye. Mag-antanda na tayo dahil alas 6 na nga po.